What's going on, guys? Who's in the block back again? Oh yeah, you see it. That's the 67 Chevelle Project Motivation. Alright, it's been a little while since you guys have seen this car, and it has been over in the block's garage. If you follow the channel, you've seen from time to time I'd go over just to peek on it, see how it was doing, and of course, yeah, it was fine. Anyway, you see I got the bumper on and some of the trim in place. Got some adjustments to do on some small parts and whatnot, but today's video is about the trunk, and we're going to do some of this inside to give it that nice textured finish like it had from the factory. Of course, this isn't from the factory. This is some new stuff, but anyway, let's see what it's about. So Rustoleum recommends you use primer. Yeah, there's no primer here. It's just some body filler I was filling, some low spots and some uneven areas in the trunk, because it's going to get this and then it's going to get covered with a mat. Yep, got a stick holding the trunk up because one of my rods broke, so the trunk doesn't hold itself up. So I gotta replace those. But anyway, I want to go ahead and get this stuff done in the trunk. So we're going to shake and spray and see how this stuff does as far as coverage and how it looks. I can go ahead and tell you, you better prime it, because the coverage on this is not great. So I'm going to grab some primer real quick and we're going to prime this, and then we'll go back to our finished product. Alright, got a primer down. We're going back with the Stone. So I got 2 cans of this because I wasn't sure if 1 can would be enough. But if your surface is primed, it looks like 1 can will actually do the whole trunk, which is pretty impressive for a 12-ounce can. Well, that's pretty impressive. So if you have an A-body car, like the Chevelle, Skylark, GTO, Le Mans, probably 2 cans, because I did start to run a little bit shy over on this side. But considering I wasted some product on this end here, because I didn't have it primed, I think if you got a primed surface or a consistently painted surface, 1 can is probably plenty. Came out pretty good. Got a little area over there I need to clean up. But that's pretty cool. Pretty cool product there. So yeah, if you're wondering why I've got the trunk lip taped up, I don't have the rubber seal in, and to keep from damaging the trunk, I got tape down there to keep from scratching it up. So that's why you see the yellow. But as far as this product's concerned, I'd give it a pass. So if you're wondering about cost, it's about $15 a can. So I don't know what the actual product that you put in here cost actually. It may be cheaper, it may be more. I'll see if I can find it and put it on the screen for you. Just a quick video on the 67 Chevelle Project Motivation, and yes, I will move that stick and get that little spot under there. I know my little my critics out there, you didn't get that spot under that stick, 3 wheels. Yep, I'll get it. But quick video on the 67 Chevelle as she's slowly getting put back together. Gotta find my new taillight bezels. They're around here somewhere. And other than that, just coming right along. Coming right along. A little bit dusty now, but yeah, a little bit dusty. A little bit dusty. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. My name's Erwin. This is the Rules in the Block. We're giving back. Time is taken away. We'll see you soon.